Hey guys, it's Katy from Hallyu Doing, and I'm here to react to Sikrtnomber performing Holiday live at Arirang Radio. Over on our Patreon, you can watch Sikrtnomber's entire appearance on the Arirang Radio, so you can head on over there to check that out. Shout out to the Butter Crew. They are the people, the wonderful people who get access to our exclusive Patreon content, so you can learn how to join in the description and see the Sikrtnomber video. And let's watch Holiday. You guys know how much I love Holiday, so let's go. Such a good song. Sultry. I love Denise's bits in this song. Dita forgot to sing. They must be really tired.
I'm a miss independent 네가 날 어떡해 오늘은 holiday boy keep going on your way 역주행 금지 get out of my way 참 혼자인 게 너무 좋아 get away 뭔가 좀 헤어진 느낌 그런 게 좋아
Sudaf sounds so cute there. They all do. I love Leia's bit as well. And then Denise just brings it. Yes, Dita. I feel like they're vibing with it as well. Of course.
That was Holiday by Sikrtnomber.
Oh, I loved that. I loved that. Oh my gosh, so many of you guys have been saying actually that, like, obviously their promotions are over, so it's highly unlikely that we're gonna get a video for Holiday. But some of you have been saying, like, imagine if they shot a Holiday video in like Bali, like how amazing would that be? But I don't think it's gonna happen. As I said before, the entire appearance of Sikrtnomber on Arirang Radio is on our Patreon now, so you can watch it if you want to. And I will see you guys soon, of course, for more Sikrtnomber content. Bye!